So our mission at HEBI is to make building robots, custom robots, as easy as Lego. And do that in a way where people think of them as the next generation of tools, something that really augments and amplifies human work and creativity.
HEBI Robotics started out of the biorobotics lab at Carnegie Mellon University, where we were making modular snake robots. The key word there is modularity, being able to take components, reconfigure them so that you have a new robot that can be used for a different application.
Our tagline is accelerating the future of robotics. That has a lot of meaning here because our tools enable rapid development and rapid prototyping and iteration of robotic systems so that you can quickly design and then create robots that not only are rapid to prototype, but also functional in the field, robust enough to work in the field. That has broad-reaching implications beyond just specific tasks that we solve.
Our biggest challenges we face are around quality and maintaining that quality at a certain price point. The last thing we can afford is a bad reputation where we ship things that don't work or don't hold up or don't meet the promises that we're making. Fictiv from the start was really working with us to understand what do we need in terms of lead times, pricing, quantities, details of tolerances, finishes, quirks of these, very kind of precise parts with some unique requirements. We chose Fictiv because kind of from the onset, you could tell that they were approaching the relationship as a partner.
Being able to use Fictiv for gears is going to be very exciting for us because we know that they're going to hit those timetables that they give us, and we're going to be able to be in constant communication to see where our parts are in the supply chain.
I am most excited about seeing people use our tools, our technology in ways that we didn't even imagine. There is no end to the creativity that I see in other people out there, both using our stuff and just in the world of robotics in general. It's super exciting to be part of.